Divorce mediation versus DIY divorce in Pomona. Hi, I'm Tim Blankenship with divorce661.com. If you're considering divorce in Pomona, you might be wondering whether mediation or a do-it-yourself divorce is the better option. Both are alternatives to hiring attorneys, but they work very differently. Let's break it down. With mediation, a neutral third party helps you and your spouse work through disagreements and come to a fair resolution. Mediation is helpful if you're mostly in agreement, but need guidance on specific issues like child custody, spousal support, or dividing property. However, mediation can get expensive, especially if multiple sessions are needed. On the other hand, a DIY divorce means handling all the paperwork and filings yourself. While this can save money up front, many people run into problems when documents are rejected by the court or important details are overlooked. In Pomona, where divorces are filed through the Los Angeles Superior Court's e-filing system, even small mistakes can cause big delays. Here's an example. We helped a Pomona couple who tried to do their divorce on their own. After months of rejected filings and frustration, they came to us. We corrected their paperwork, prepared their agreement, and had their divorce approved in just weeks. At Divorce 661, we offer the best of both worlds. If you and your spouse are in agreement, we handle all the paperwork, filings, and court submissions for one flat fee. No mediation sessions or court appearances required. If you need extra help working out the details, we can connect you with mediators we trust, then finalize the paperwork once agreements are reached. If you're weighing mediation versus a DIY divorce in Pomona, visit divorce661.com for a free consultation. We'll help you decide the best approach for your situation and make sure your divorce is completed quickly and correctly.